Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Those of you who are new here, my name is Anjali, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you my holiday glam, how I glam up for holidays. Since Christmas is around the corner, then we have New Year's and New Year Eve, everything, so let's get ready for that. I have my makeup with me, so let's begin. First of all, let me clip my hair so that no makeup goes there. I'm gonna look more funny now. For skin, I have a very dry skin, so let's prep it up first. I always like to start my makeup with this glazing toner. This is from Rhode and one of the best hydrating toners that I've used. It gives me glow from within. It's so hydrating. See. I'm just going to massage like this. So my face is also a little uplifted. Now the next step is to go in with a moisturizer. I usually go in with this one from Charlotte Tilbury. This is their magic cream and hands down the best cream, and I am so sorry, some construction is going on जिसकी वजह से आवाज आ रही है and I can't do anything about it. You can see how much I have finished. I love using this product when I have to do a proper glam because this way my makeup sits properly. Now again I am going to massage it into my skin. इससे क्या होता है ना कि आपका प्रोडक्ट अच्छे से अंदर चला जाता है स्किन के एंड फिर वो मूव नहीं करेगा. I will let this sit for good 5 minutes and after that I am going to start my makeup. क्योंकि अगर मैंने इसके ऊपर मेकअप करना शुरू करा तो it will start moving. It will not sit properly. Okay, so I've let my skin absorb all the product that it had and that's how we are looking. Still glowing. I've said glowing so many times now. By the way, look at my nails. Cat eyes for the festive season. Now, let's start with our makeup. This is going to be very holiday inspired makeup. I will make sure that I'll add a lot of glitter to it. First step is to use this Halo Glow filter and it gives you amazing shine. I am going to apply it on my high points. Over here. Then my forehead, my nose and my chin. That's all. Now we are going to blend it. I want my high points to be highlighted. That's why I've applied only in these areas. Sometimes what I like to do is I mix this with my foundation or my skin tint. It just gives you that glow. If your foundation is not glowy and if it is matte finish, you can just always add it with your foundation or your skin tint and it will give you glow. By the way, I am going to use this concealer from NYX. It is exactly of my shade and I will hide my dark circles with this. I am taking tiny drop of it on my hand and now what I'll do is I will take a concealer brush, take a little amount of product and then dab it in like this. See, it is a full coverage concealer and again all the products that I'm using are to give glow to my face and this is again a glowing concealer. It will not mattify your base. The difference. Oh my god. Whenever you take the product in your hand and then you start applying it, you always have the control कि कहीं ज़्यादा ना लग जाए and then you will struggle blending it. So take the control in your hand and then start blending. Now around my lip area. Now I am going to use this skin tint from Dior. This is the Backstage Dior foundation. Very liquid. Just gonna take a little, 1 or 2 drops. That should be enough. So we are going to take this skin tint foundation on the brush and then we are going to apply it. Now I am not going to take this foundation in the areas where I have applied concealer under my eyes because I don't want a thick layer to be formed वरना वो crease कर देता है under eyes को बहुत ज़्यादा. I love this brush because ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा dense है तो blend करने में काफ़ी easy रहता है. And you can just target the spots that you want to blend. Next up, I have this blush from Charlotte Tilbury. It is a glowy blush, Beauty Light Wand High Blush in the shade Pink Gasm. And I completely forgot that I had this. And that's how it is looking right now. But ये इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा product बाहर आया हुआ है, so I will have to be very careful. I am just going to apply 2 tiny drops on both the sides. That is it. Let's blend this first and then see if we need more. We can always add. Now let's just blend this. It's a very soft pink. It also has this glittery particles in it. Great for the holiday glam. Let's blend it over here. I make sure that I always go in the upward direction. It has highlighter plus pigmentation, so love the finish. I'm gonna use this concealer from NARS. Now this concealer is a shade lighter, so it will act like a highlighting concealer. So I'm gonna apply a very tiny amount of it. Forehead and here. That is all that you need. And I'm gonna let it sit for a while for more coverage. So for my eyebrows, I'm going to be using this one from AB, Anastasia Beverly Hills. And ये एक ऐसा product है कि इसको कितना भी use कर लो, it will not get over. It comes with this brush. It has a spoolie on one side and on the other side it has this angled brush to fill your eyebrow. It has dark brown and light brown, so we're going to mix both of it to fill it. Now I am going to mix both of it like this and start filling the ends of my eyebrows. From the front, I am giving it a very gentle light strokes. Now I am taking this bronzer stick from Rare Beauty, and I only have this bronzer stick and इसकी हालत कुछ ऐसी है. I will take the product on this brush, and with this I will apply the product जहाँ पे I have ended my blush, like it should look like one and not 2 different lines. So over here and over here around my cheekbone, I am just going to blend it with my blush itself so that they don't look 2 different lines, and again in upwards direction over here as well. Now I am taking this dense brush again from PAC. I love their brushes, by the way. And now I am going to blend this. This concealer brush, the main benefit that I get is that I can target even the smaller areas that I want to cover. So now we are going to blend this. See, it has given this highlight. You can see the difference. I am only going to blend it in the areas where I have applied and not all around my face. Now I'm going to use this setting spray from Charlotte Tilbury since I'm through with my cream products. Now I'm going to use this loose powder from Givenchy, and let's take some out. And I'm going to use this puff. Take the product, buffer out the extra, and then under my eyes I'm gonna set my concealer. Same on this side. I'm gonna apply it on my forehead as well and around my lips because I get laugh lines. I'm gonna use this bronzer from NARS. So I'm gonna take the same brush that I used for my blush and just remove the extra, and I'm gonna set this. Now that this is blended, that's how it is looking. Now for my eyes, I am just gonna use this bronzer only. I'm gonna take very tiny amount of it and just do this, and we're gonna smudge it now. Now let's apply mascara. So I'm gonna be using this mascara from MAC. कुछ मेकअप ही लगा हुआ है इसके ऊपर, एंड ये ड्राई हो गया है काफी ज्यादा. बट सी द लेंथ. आई फील लाइक मस्कारा जितना पुराना हो उतना बेटर वर्क करता है. नाउ इट्स टाइम टू डू आवर लिप्स, एंड सिंस ये फेस्टिव ग्लैम है, ऑफ कोर्स आई एम गोना डू रेड लिप्स. आई डोंट रिमेम्बर द लास्ट टाइम आई डिड इट, बट लेट्स ट्राई. I'm gonna outline my lips with a red lip liner now. I have this one from Mars, and this is in the shade Majestic Maroon. So that's how a red lipstick is looking on me. Now again I'm gonna apply this setting spray, and while it is wet I'm gonna do my favorite step of this look. I'm gonna be applying a highlighter. This one is from Dior. I'm gonna mix all of it and see the glow here. See, forehead, nose. मैं हाइलाइटर में डिप कर चुकी हूँ लिटरली. Now I'm gonna top this lipstick with a glossy lipstick. This one is from YSL. So guys, this is my final look. That's how I am looking with all the glitter and festive glam. So guys, if you like this look, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I am in love with this look. I love how it turned out, and yeah, sometimes doing bold lips does look good. I will link all the products in the description box. Please don't forget to check out the description box. And if you have anything else in your mind, if you want me to do something else, please do let me know.